yesterday doing all that tractor work.
I wouldn't know. The tractor did most of the work. Everyone's mad at me because I didn't videotape it.
I did it, that's why.
You saying you did all the tractor work? Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Let's compare boots. Let's see whose boots are more muddy and full of brushing. I'm being bitten alive here.
Coming. Look at him.
We got to move this. I mean, this is desecrated. Well, we got the second fence over there.
Good girl. You eating all your food?
Man, you can hear Red from all the way down here crowing. Or cockadoodling, whatever that is.
He's doing it to get our attention?
I don't know why they crow. They just crow in the morning. I think it's just to annoy farm folk and wake people up. Like, hey, get to work. And there's the chickens, free ranging. Woo! We ready?
Yeah.
Sitting on my tractor? What are we doing? We're gonna go get
Poop.
We're gonna get poop. And what else?
Soil.
Poop and soil. Farm work. Log barn we always tell you guys about. And I told you yesterday we cleared some acreage. Look at all back there, right? But see how covered this is? But look all the way in the back. I reclaimed. This is the 1 acre I reclaimed all in the back. It's just all reclaimed. Back to the more interesting stuff. I had to shut the engine off. I want to hear you struggle.
Billy wakes me up just so he tells me I have to do this.
Yeah, come shovel shit. Dig into that poo-poo. What's the other stuff look like? The brown, does it look like clay? Yeah, I don't want the clay. We got enough clay. Virginia, Tennessee, you guys can keep your clay. We just want the stuff on top. The dark stuff.
We couldn't even walk in here.
This is where there was a log.
And this is Billy's turn. But
Trade places, I'll hold the camera.
But that's just wood composted. Where are you getting that good soil from?
It's just topsoil.
No, by the tree it was really good.
Rotted wood. All good stuff. Rotted wood. I'm hoping potatoes like it. You go too far down, you hit that clay.
Must have fixed the fence. The cows sound like they want to get in.
I like them. They pooped all over the place.
Kind of.
And then someday we'll do a cow patty collection.
Mostly down the pond.
That's wood.
Mm-hmm.
Did I miss it?
Yeah.
Delete and edit that. Corey, I'm not making a mess out of the tractor. Yeah, but it's the trees. Can't take it all. I'd like to. You'll leave the tree some. This is all broken down wood and leaves.
Mm-hmm.
This stuff is naturally
I would love
fluffy.
my home right here.
Hey, look! Human bones!
Wow.
Goes in, but it doesn't come out.
I could never do that.
What? Drum. Yeah, boy. I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Yee. Shake your teeth, Phil. Shake your fillings out. See how nice? If you do it wrong, watch. If you do it wrong, see when you do it wrong, your whole body vibrates. I think I'm pushing too hard. Don't cut the cable. That'd be bad.
It's on a hill. It's really a weird.
Where's this running off of? Yellow wire, right?
No, the orange one.
Yeah, but it goes to the yellow wire.
Yes.
It's the solar battery.
Yep.
Off-grid, cutting off solar power. It works. So if we were off-grid, that lithium battery works really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's got plenty of juice. I guarantee that battery's full. We'll go check the voltage afterwards. And it's been a cloudy day.
Woohoo!
And now, my foot.
Sexy! Billy, you got very sexy legs.
Very, very pale legs.
Half of them.
I just got to be careful because of the wire in there.
All for
Is
potatoes.
anybody creative? What can I do with these?
Oh,
Anybody? What can I do with those? Tire swing? No, there's metal. The kids.
you can paint them and put flowers through them. Or any vegetable.
They could be used for a giant's brim if his hat wore off.
What you got there? Garden.
Garden soil, but it looks like they gave mulch.
Yeah.
Looks like a mulch. You running that tape?
Yep.
Here, come close. That is not garden soil. That is a mulch. It's a wood mulch.
Yeah.
It was in a garden soil bag. That is soil. Or potting soil.
This is a big tire. Oh. Edit. Billy's bum. Yeah, you can use this to mix it. I can't get it out now.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go get I gotta get the poo-poo in here, and I want to get some of that stuff down there to fill it. Oh, that part we did cow manure down the bottom, or horse manure. Yeah, I can smell it. The first smell of cow manure in the morning. It's full of worms.
Mm-hmm.
Why does the poop gotta be so heavy? thought you were the one that mucks the doo-doo.
I shoveled it in, you can shovel it out.
Yeah, but Mama, it's hard work. And I'm not trying to lose weight. That's clay, right?
No.
No. I don't want clay.
So, you want to bury it just under there?
Your project.
I know, I wouldn't have put so much dirt in there.
But you got a deep enough bed to get a good sized harvest if anything grows. So, how successful was your potato planting?
Good.
Good? Got them all in?
Got them all in.
All your sweet potatoes are in?
Sweet potato in the middle.
Yep, okay.
And then regular.
What's with the pile of dirt on the side? To add in afterwards?
Yep.
Okay. So, did you find a use for the tin and the tire?
Yeah, I'm going to cover it so that dog doesn't
Dig
it up.
Yeah.
The smell of poop is attractive.
Yeah. That's what they like to do. Careful with that metal. You'll cut your side open.
I don't think it's going to fit though.
Yep. I don't think that bed needs water. It looks pretty wet.
Oh, it's wet.
It's wet, yeah. We'll cover it. That way the rain doesn't get in there. And there you go.
In the daytime, let it open.
Yep. We'll come out. We'll feed the chicks. We'll let the potatoes have... And then at nighttime we'll cover it.
Oh, what did you find?
It looks like we uncovered... I was going to say snake eggs, but those are turtle eggs. Box turtle eggs. Hold one up close. Yep. All of them hatched. The little box turtle eggs. Cool. Pretty leathery, right? Yeah. They look like snake eggs. But those are box turtle eggs.